Hi friends, I am Amit Sinha, Director ACLM Institute, Delhi chapter. Since a decade we are into data analytics, data science, data visualization, data server control, data mining, data processing and all about the data basically. Our prime focus since the inception of the organization is to develop a unique security audit space including cyber security which can help the entire world for all the learning perspectives. Now when the entire world is talking about the data and its security purposes, we are at this stage to create a new course on the data security and its auditing. So to meet all these, we are starting another program on the cyber security and forensic science. Okay, so the entire course we are launching in coordination with Brannet Technologies Private Limited. Initially, it will be a weekly webinar on each Sunday from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. The course will be mainly covered by our experts Mr. Brajesh Gupta and Mr. Satyendra Srivastav. Both are the directors of Brannet Technologies Private Limited. Mr. Gupta will be the key deliverables for the cyber security, whereas Mr. Srivastav will be delivering about the forensic audit. So let's connect with our experts and you can register for the program anytime as per your choice. Thank you.
Myself, Dr. Brajesh Kumar Gupta, Director Brannet Technologies Private Limited, NCR Ghaziabad. Today, I would like to invite you to join our very demanding and interesting webinar on cybersecurity and forensic audit. Dear friends, 21st century is a knowledge-based society, or we can say knowledge-based century, in which data is our integral part of the daily life. Since morning till end of the day, either we produce data, we consume data, or we transfer data. Without data, it is very difficult to survive in the modern era. Dear friends, a very interesting fact is that the total population of the world is 7 billion, while the connected devices are approximately 50 billions. That is, one person getting connected to approximately 6 to 7 devices. This technology, on the one hand, is making our life easy, smooth, effective, and comfortable. But on the other side, we are facing a lot of cyber challenges also, like cyber threats, cyber attacks, cyber crimes, and various similar activities. So, without protecting or securing our cyberspace, it is very difficult to make a real progress and to make our society a better place to live in. So, I can say that our first and foremost responsibility should be to protect our cyberspace. During this webinar, I make you assure that you will get all these related input in the domain and it will enhance your career's perspective, it will enhance your knowledge and future perspective in the domain, whether you are joining for this webinar as a social, as a professional, or as a personal level. So again, I invite you to join this very interesting and need of the hour program, that is cybersecurity and forensic audit. Thank you.
Hi, this is Satyendra Srivastav. I have more than 21 years of experience in the internal audit and the forensic audit area. I am an ex-director with the SS Kothari Methane Company, which is top 10 India CA firm. In the past, I have handled big corporate clients, those having a turnover more than 1,000 crore as an internal audit and the forensic audit capacity. We are going to launch a certificate course which can help to the industry and the professional. Also, It will also help to the student who are preparing for the professional exam. This certificate will help to the industry to identify their strength and weak area. And also, this certificate will help to the professional and the professional student to reshape their professional journey for sure. If you are interested to join this certificate course, you should connect with the giving number and the website with this video. Thank you very much and goodbye.